Hello guys, my name is Disha and today I am doing this very beautiful half moon inspired design, and this is the complete look of the design. You can see right here on my right hand that I have completed, and now I have left the pointer finger and the ring finger for you to show how do I do that. Now what I'm gonna show you first is how to do this half moon thing, and I am doing it with help of my acrylic paint and a brush, a very fine brush. Now I'll show it to you on my pointer finger. The design on my pointer finger is gonna be this with black beads. I am wearing, on my left hand I'm wearing black beads, and on my right hand I'm wearing these nude golden, not golden, but brown tone beads. And the reason I'm doing it is just for fun. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the half moon thing, and the way you're gonna do it is that you're gonna mark here and here. You can see I have little black thing, I hope you can see, and I am just going to draw a half moon just like that. And I am actually gonna fill it up, and I'll fill it up with my acrylic only so that I get clean design near the cuticles as well. And I'll just fill that up like that. That's how I'm gonna do my half moon. So that's my half moon, and this is the way I have done my half moon on this finger. But I need to keep the lower part clean since I'm gonna tape the above section as I'll show it to you now. Now I have, so here you can see this is my nail art tape that I have, and I have cut it out in pieces like this, and I've already pre-cut them so that I can use them quickly. And now I'll try to show you how did I tape it. See, the first, try and get the center just like this nicely. Then with another piece I'm trying to show it to you as much as possible, but believe me, it's so difficult to actually tape on camera because it takes really a long time, and also you should do it with a lot of patience. You should not have any hurry in your mind, only then you will be able to tape it nicely. Now I have to create a clean line, straight line, so that's how I'll do that. Nicely clean edges it should have, otherwise the effect won't come. And one more straight line I'm doing right like that. Take care that it is straight enough. Now I am gonna put two more tapes just like this. Actually it has happened quite quickly, but otherwise it took a lot of time when I was doing it on my other fingers. See? Okay, so here is my black polish, and here is my taped nail, and my black polish is from Color Bar. And what I'm gonna do is that straight away I'm gonna apply nice amount of black polish, and since I need to remove the tapes when my polish is still wet, that's very important, otherwise the clean effect won't come. So just do it a little faster, and a nice coat you need to do because you cannot wait to do a nice thick other coat. So I am just going to very quickly do the coats. And now remove your polish, have some space for yourself, and start removing the tapes. So there is my first tape. Okay, there goes my second tape. Remove them in the direction of the pattern, right like that. That's my fourth tape removed, and there goes, and there goes my last tape, and yay, there is my pattern. And you can clean up the cuticles. Okay, and guys, so the The nude shade that I'm wearing is this one by Deborah. It's BB Nail Foundation, and this one is number 2, and number 1 is more towards the pink shade, but I thought that this would be much better, so I'm wearing this one as the brown shade that you can see here, the nude one. And here is my rhinestone wheel, and these are the black beads that I'm using. Now I will be showing you how I'm applying. My top coat is right here, and I am just gonna apply a nice amount of top coat onto my nail. I'm wearing the pattern only on my middle finger, ring finger and my thumb. I am keeping my both these two nails very simple. I am gonna apply with the back of my brush. I'm gonna apply these one in the center, okay. So I am recording this section just to show you how am I top coating. See, what I do in order to top coat is that I top coat on the upper section separately, just like that, okay. And for the lower section, what I'm doing is that I fill up my brush once again, and I am going just like that, and I will leave it now. So I am top coating in this manner, and this is how I'm gonna finish up all my nails, and that's the final look of my design today. And I'm wearing black beads here, golden brownish beads here. If you want, you can do all black, you can do all golden, whatever is your choice, but I have done it. You can mix both the beads, in fact, to give it a different sort of a look. My personal favorites are the black beads, but I'm liking the other hand too. And so this is a very sober, simple and a very nice design to wear on a nice nude and a black dress maybe, or even a black sari. It would look awesome. So I hope you liked it and you liked the tape manicure that I did for you today. If you did, please do not forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Show me your recreations on my FB page, link below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.